Hi everyone, nice to see you again. How are you? I hope you are well and study hard. Today we will continue with lesson 7, 8 and 9 of Unit 2 English 6 Friends Plus. Now let's start with our first lesson. Lesson 7, writing about a special day. First we learn some new words. Look at the pictures. They are about celebrations. And this is the carnival. This is a kind of festival. And in the carnival, people wear colorful costumes. In this picture, they parade along the street. Now, what is your favorite special day or celebration? Tell the whole class, why do you like this special day? What do you often do and who do you celebrate this day with? Exercise 1. Describe the photo. Exercise 2. Read the description and answer where and when is the carnival and what do people do. And the answer is, the carnival is in Notting Hill, London in August, and people wear costume, play music and dance. Exercise 3. Look at the text and complete the key phrases. Number 1. You can enjoy the Notting Hill Carnival. 2. Local people celebrate Caribbean culture. 3. There are big parades in the street. And 4. It's a lot of fun. Let's see the grammar point with also. It's an adverb and it means in addition. Also often comes after to be and before ordinary verb. Exercise 4. Choose the correct words. Number 1. We also have. 2. There's also. 3. I also like. And 4. Is also. Exercise 5. Write a description of a celebration or a special day in your town or country for a website. Here are some questions to think about. What's the celebration? When and where is it? What do people do? What do you usually do? What do you like or dislike about it? Now let's move to the CLIL lesson, Geography. We talk about time zones. Now, let's learn some new words. First, we have Greenwich Mean Time. Có nghĩa là giờ mặt trời trung bình của năm tại Greenwich. Longitude. Có nghĩa là kinh độ. Prime Meridian. Đó là kinh tuyến gốc nha các em.
2. CLIL. Geography. Exercise 2.
Time zones. Time zones help us know what time it is in different parts of the world. This is because when the Earth rotates, the sun shines on only one part of the Earth. So when it's the morning in your country, it's nighttime in another country. The Earth has got 24 time zones. The lines for each time zone go from north to south. These are called lines of longitude. The line on the map at 0 degrees longitude is called the prime meridian. This line goes through Greenwich in London. The time there is called Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. The Earth rotates 15 degrees of longitude every hour. 24 times 15 degrees equals 360 degrees. Places east of the prime meridian are ahead of GMT. For example, Istanbul is about 30 degrees east of the prime meridian, so the time there is GMT plus 2 hours. Places west of the prime meridian are behind GMT. For example, Rio is about 45 degrees west of the prime meridian, so the time there is GMT minus 3 hours. So, when it is 12 p.m. in London, it is 2 p.m. in Istanbul and 9 a.m. in Rio.
Exercise 2. Read and listen to the text and write true or false. Correct the false sentences. Number 1. False. They go from north to south. 2. False. The prime meridian is the line at north degree longitude. 3. True. And 4. False. The time in places X of the prime meridian is ahead of GMT. Exercise 3. Look at the clocks and answer the questions. 1. In which countries are cities 1 to 6? England, the USA, Spain, Brazil, Australia, Vietnam. 2. Is New York ahead of or behind GMT? Answer: is behind. 3. How many hours ahead of GMT in Hanoi? Is 7 hours ahead. 4. How many hours behind GMT in Brasilia? Is 3 hours behind. 5. If it's 12 p.m. in London, what time is it in Brisbane? It's 10 p.m. You are in New York at 9 p.m. Is it a good idea to call your friend in London? Why or why not? No, because it's 2 a.m. Exercise 4. Work in pairs. Complete the table and then ask and answer questions about the time in the different cities. And the answer is Tokyo, 10 p.m. Mexico City, -7. Sydney, +10. Rio, 10 a.m. And Hanoi, 8 p.m. Work in pairs, ask and answer. For example, hi, I'm in London. Where are you? I'm in Hanoi. It's 1 p.m. in London. What's the time in Hanoi? It's 8 p.m. Now we move to the last lesson, puzzle and games. Now exercise 1. Look at the code and write the sentences. For example, we can see letter R mean I, letter Z mean A, O mean L, and so on. So we have I always have breakfast. Here is the answer. 1. I get up at 6. 2. I sometimes go to school on foot. 3. My mom doesn't watch TV. 4. We relax after dinner. Activity 2. Work in pairs. One of you is a knot and the other is a cross. Take turns saying sentences about your partner. Use the present simple tense in both affirmative or negative form, and if your sentence is true, you can write an O or a cross in the table. Activity 3. The longest sentence. Work in 2 teams. Each student say a word to make a team sentence. Use the adverb of frequency in the box. Activity 4. Find 8 verbs about celebrations in the grid. Each verb is in a different color. Then match the verbs to the correct picture from 1 to 8. Now look at the white color first. We have the verb wear crazy clothes. Picture 1. This time look at the purple color. We have the verb give presents. Picture 2. Next, we look at the green color. And the verb is have a special meal. Picture 3. This time we look at the yellow color. Dance, picture 4. Next, we look at the red color. Visit family, picture 5. Now look at the blue color. Play music, picture 6. Now this time, look at the orange color. We have the verb celebrate, picture 7. And the last one, we'll look at the dark blue. Make costumes, picture 8. Activity 5, True or False game. Work in pairs. Take turns asking and answering questions. Follow the instructions. For example, student A asks, "Where do you live?" Student B answers, "I live in Ankara." Then, student A must say which answer you think is false. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you have a good time studying with me. And if you like this video, please subscribe for my channel and please wait for my next video. Goodbye and see you next time.